Today, we're going to be looking at possessive pronouns. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or a noun phrase. It also helps avoid repetition, that is, repeating the same word in one sentence. Example: Sam decided to ride Sam's bicycle to school. So here we have Sam being repeated in the sentence. So here we have Sam decided to ride, and that second Sam that was repeated in the first sentence is now replaced by the word his. So the sentence will now read, Sam decided to ride his bicycle to school. So that's an example of a pronoun, a word that is used to take the place of a noun and helps avoid repetition. Now let's look at some sentences. That yellow house is theirs. This bicycle is his. That burger is mine, but the burgers are hers. That notebook is yours. Its mane is long. That blue car is ours. Those happy sentences again. That yellow house is theirs. This bicycle is his. That pizza is mine, but the burgers are hers. That notebook is yours. Its mane is long. And that blue car is ours. Now let's look at the highlighted words. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. These are possessive pronouns. I'm just going to show you. We have minds. Now this is just showing you that let's look at the pattern of the possessive pronouns. Realize most of the pronouns end with S except mine. Mine is just M-I-N-E. Yours you have S. His, hers, its, ours, and theirs. Now if we say mines, we are talking about excavations in the earth for extracting coal or other material. So with possessive pronouns, we don't say mines, it remains as mine, while the others have their S at the end. So we have mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. What is a possessive pronoun? Let's look at the word possess from pronoun. Possess means own or have. Example, I possess a house is the same as I own a house or I have a house. Tim possesses a car. Tim is the same as Tim owns a car or Tim has a car. So a possessive pronoun shows who or what something belongs to, or who owns it. In other words, it refers to ownership. Possessive pronouns in relation to singular and plural. And we know that singular means one, plural more than one. So first person singular, mine belonging to me. Second person singular, yours belonging to you. Third person singular, his belonging to him. Third person singular, hers belonging to her. Third person singular, its belonging to it. Plural more than one, First person, persons, ours, belonging to us. Second person, persons, yours, belonging to you. Now that yours would be more than one. And third person, plural, theirs, belonging to them. Possessive pronouns can be used to replace possessive nouns. Note, possessive nouns show ownership by having the apostrophes. Singular. Let's get some singular examples. Carla's dress. Tobago's weather. So these are possessive nouns, showing that with the apostrophe S, that's how they show ownership. Computers, keyboard. The keyboard belonging to the computer. Now the plural. We have teachers, bags. Notice you have teachers and the apostrophe after the S, because you're dealing with more than one teacher. Students, grades, and juices, flavors. Possessive pronouns can be used to replace possessive noun phrases, singular. So noun phrases, the boy's bicycle, my sister's shoes. Remember, noun phrases are those with the, like the, or the articles a or an. And have my, right? My sister's shoes. A man's jacket. Now we go with the plural. The lion's manes. The children's toys. The ladies' dresses. Just a few examples of noun phrases. Now some sentences. Those books are Mark and Mindy's. Possessive nouns. The owners of the books. Now, as I say, these books are theirs. And this is a possessive pronoun that is used to replace the possessive nouns Mark and Mindy's, and use theirs because it's more than one. These sneakers are my brother's. So brother. The sneakers belonging to my brother. Possessive noun phrase. These sneakers are his. The possessive pronoun used to replace my brother's, which is a possessive noun phrase. A possessive noun pronouns tips. Do not place a possessive pronoun before the noun. They go after the noun or in place of the noun. Example, this is my bag. This bag is mine. So we're going to see which is correct. So these sentences again, these shoes are hers. So let's look at the first sentence. Let's see which one is correct. Remember, do not place a possessive pronoun before the noun. And from earlier, we know that mine is a possessive pronoun. So let's see, this mine bag. Does it make sense? So that's a no. This bag is mine. Yes. These hers shoes. No. These shoes are hers. Yes. Let's continue. Do not use apostrophes with possessive pronouns. Let's look at some sentences. The car is ours. And look at how ours. Apostrophe S. The car is ours. This one has no apostrophe. Theirs is parked in the garage. Let's look at theirs. There, the apostrophe S. And theirs is parked in the garage. Now this theirs, no apostrophe. Let's go back to the tip. Do not use apostrophes with possessive pronouns. So the first one, here we have an apostrophe. Right, ours. So that's a no. The car is ours, no apostrophe. Yes, you can go with that one. Theirs is parked in a garage. Theirs with apostrophe S. That's a no. And theirs is parked in the garage. No apostrophe. Yes, that's correct. 4. They are usually found at the end of sentence. Example of possessive pronouns in sentences to avoid repetition. That food is our food and not their food. Here we have the possessive pronouns used. That food is ours and not theirs. So remember, in the first sentence, you see food there is used 3 times. That food is our food and not their food. It's kind of like tongue biting. I forgot my pen, so Rona lends me her pen. So we have my pen on the line, her pen on the line. So let's find possessive pronouns, replace those. I forgot mine, so Rona lends me hers. This is my book, not your book. Let's get some possessive pronouns here. This is mine, not yours. So your book, we have yours. Her pen, we have hers. Their food, we have theirs. Our food, ours. My pen, yes, we have mine. My book, mine. My book belongs to me, so it's mine. Your book belongs to you, so that's yours. Her pen is belonging to her, so that's hers. Their food belonging to them, so that's theirs, so they're theirs. We have a short exercise. Give the children back the ball. The ball is, we'll do the sentences and then we'll come back to the answers. We have our own swimming pool. That swimming pool is, so we're going to think about the answers when we get back. Maria owns a purple beach ball. The purple beach ball is, I gave the pencil to you. This pencil is. So let's go back to number 1. Give the children back the ball. The ball is, and we have children. So our possessive pronoun goes there. Theirs, more than one. We have our own swimming pool. That swimming pool is, remember you have we. So that swimming pool is ours. Yes. Maria owns a purple beach ball. So Maria won. And Maria good. The purple beach ball is hers. I gave the pencil to you. So this pencil is yours. So we have the tips again. They can be used to replace possessive nouns and possessive noun phrases. Do not place a possessive pronoun before the noun. They go after the noun or in place of a noun. Do not use apostrophes with possessive pronouns. And they are usually found at the end of a sentence. So information and slide presentation created by Mrs. L. Frank. Any questions?